It will all work out all right, okay? Well, someone's coming. I gotta go. What? You told your brother? We had an agreement.
Deal's off. Where's Sarah?
Well, she was supposed to be with you at that funeral.
Well, she said she was going back to her place, but she wasn't there. She's not picking up the phone.
And her apartment was tossed. Somebody was looking for something.
Where's my daughter?
We can't find her. We have no idea where Sarah is or her roommate, Talia Saeed.
How can this be happening?
You tell me. And Christian's told me about the jewels and the money. And this man, Jonas, has been chasing you.
What? You think Sarah's missing because of all that?
Talia?
No. This is Jonas Chamberlain.
I know who you are. Why do you have Talia's phone?
Well, Talia let me use it for a minute. Have a time.
Antonio.
What are you doing with him?